Hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. Join me make this very delicious all-purpose vegetable sauce, stew, or even soup. I call it all-purpose because you can pair it with anything and everything you want, okay? And me, I paired mine with masa. Masa is a snack popularly known in the north. And I'll be dropping my masa recipe anytime soon on my channel. So guys, to begin with, our vegetable, we have to wash it thoroughly. I washed mine for about 4 to 5 times using salt to wash it because sometimes the chemical here is not so healthy for us to just put in our pot and consume. We have to just wash it off and also use hot water to do the final washing. And then to reduce the chemical as well, and also to retain the color. That's what hot water does for us. So as you can see, I'm washing this with a running water. I did this off camera about 3 to 4 times. So that aside, now I'll go in with my palm oil. I'm using palm oil for this recipe. Feel free to use vegetable oil if you want to. So I'll be frying my beef, my already cooked beef and fresh Titus fish here. And guys, if you know my voice well, you know I'm sounding somehow because I'm presently under the weather and I'm struggling to do this voiceover. I don't want to start coughing, okay? You know we are cooking. So please, I'll just do a write-up, and if you know you've not subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe, like and share, and also watch till the end. Thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of the video.
More music on DavePlay.com.